Hello, this is Sizzle Crypto, and on today's list, Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, bringing hype into the crypto market. 2. Positive news for the crypto space. Let's talk about it. 3. Let's look at an altcoin that's ready to move. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin hits all-time high after breaking a bull flag. Measured move 98,000. All right, we got the bull flag right here. There's the measured move 98,000, around 100,000. Fantastic. But for the meantime, let's just look at the here and now. So we have Bitcoin. It broke out of a bull flag and it retested, and that's exactly what we want to see. We have some volume down here. If you look at the bottom, and then we even have stronger volume on the retest and the break of this new support, previous resistance. That is looking healthy. Right now, I really don't have any market direction to go, as is starting to go through probably price discovery, and we're going to see exactly where it lands, or is 75K the top right now. So for now, let's jump into the market, into crypto news. There's massive volatility and uncertainty of the market, but right now it does look like Trump did win the election, and the market is reacting in a very positive manner as it hit a new all-time high. $180 million in short positions was liquidated, which means that if those traders want to jump back in, they're going to have to jump in at a higher price, adding more liquidity that could push the price higher. Okay, that's just good for the overall crypto space. That's a very positive and a hype kind of situation, and that kind of hype hopefully will get more people coming into the crypto space. That's why I'm very positive about the new all-time high. 75K, the nice milestone. Okay, Bitcoin heads to the moon. Watch these BTC price levels next from 75,000. That's fantastic. And the good news about this 75,000, once again, it hits headlines. It sounds really good. It's a new all-time high. It brings hype into the crypto market, and that's exactly what we want to see. All right, jumping on to the next. Anti-crypto Senate banking chair Sherrod Brown ousted in Ohio. The Democrat Senate banking chairman Sherrod Brown has lost his seat in Ohio, which is good news for the crypto industry, whatever the election outcome. This channel is not focused on political but crypto related news. When it comes to thriving of crypto, we have to have good policies to ensure its success. And if this guy was anti crypto, him being ousted, good for crypto. This channel has no more involvement past crypto. Let's move on. Dogecoin rallies to 7-month high on U.S. election wave. A series of pre-election nods from Elon Musk and Donald Trump's campaign push, just showing how hype can really get people into the market. Okay, now let's check out an altcoin. All right, this is Manta. But first, I am not a financial advisor or ever tell you what to invest in. To get in, if you use my opinion based videos to help you trade, that's at your own disclosure and discretion. Okay? Manta. Price action is on the lower part of the channel on the 1 day time frame. It's just hit resistance. Volume is low, so I'm not starting seeing anything to trade at the moment. The election wrapped up in the US, and so volatility in the market could be wild, and also we have no direction. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, and if you see right here, as it did have a move upwards in the last day to 2 days, volume is incredibly low. I'm not saying that this is at all a good time to get into a position, but what I am saying, future tense, that this could be good, looking really juicy. And today I'm going to show you some possibilities with what I'm looking at. All right. So Manta, when we go down here, if possibly I can get on a lower price action. If it is to just go from the bottom to the top of the channel, we're looking at a total of 54% to 55%. increase in price. That is a huge win, especially if you're entering a trade. But exactly, stability of the market is what I'm looking for. And right now, we're trying to look at a direction of the market before we really enter anything. Once again, you do whatever you think is best for your position in your life. I'm not here to tell you how to handle your money or to do whatever with your money. Okay? What I am saying, though, is that this could take around a month to play out just to get to the top of the trend line. I counted here essentially from the bottom. It took about 23 days to hit the top. And so if you can enter a position and you are okay to hold it for more long term, you're looking at a huge payout, especially if you leverage. All right. Another positive news about this, if it does break out, once again, over time, one day, we don't want to be looking at lower time periods for this. When we enter, we want to. But for now, we just want to take it simple and look at the 1 day chart. So if it goes from the bottom and it breaks out and it plays out to the measure move, we're looking at a total of 155%. That is once again a fantastic trade that would probably take around 1 to 2 months, maybe even more, to play out. But it's something that's looking very appetizing to me at the moment. But let me tell you also something that I have seen in the past. I know we're not fortune tellers. Traders are not predictors. We're reactors. We react to the market and we trade accordingly. So I know this is a little off kilter for me, but what I'm going to show you is something that I've seen a lot in the market, and you can back test it to see. So this pattern has a huge potential to lead into another pattern. What exactly do I mean? Okay, let's look. This is a hypothetical. Once again, this is a 1 day chart. This could take a while to play out, but this is just what I've seen in the past, and so I'm just going to kind of let you know. So what I've seen in the past, though, is the price action. Let me find there. The price action will eventually break out as it's supposed to, and then it hovers around here. And if you notice, that starts to become a classic inverse head and shoulders on the 1 day time frame. Now, I'm not saying this will happen. I think we would need definitely better market conditions. And if we were going to play out this inverse head and shoulders, I would say that, let me see. Let's right here in the middle, I feel most comfortable. From the bottom of the trend line, if you were to leave it, and this would take probably 4+ months to play out, and it would probably need bull run conditions to get to this. But we're looking at around 430% possibility. I would not focus on that. That would not be the main focus of my trade. I would focus on the immediate right now, which is right here. But it's just something to look at as you continue to trade and keep an eye on it. That's all. And that's all I wanted to get into today. It's my thoughts on Manta. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments or suggestions and you want me to review an altcoin, definitely put it in the comment section. This smiling face right here is very happy that you watched to the end. And thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.